How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can print by objects in the Anycubic slicer. Now, I'm going to add multiple shapes or models onto my plate. And basically from here, let's then make the print sequence into by objects, because in most cases, it will then print this objects layer by layer, starting from the lowest part right here all the way until it finishes to the top. Now, if you want to change the print sequence, you want to head over to the side category. In here, you want to click the last option, which is going to be others. Scroll down, and then we have the special mode category. Look for the print sequence, and then you want to select by object. Click on yes. And basically from there, you have to make space in order for the plate right here to print properly. And after adjusting them together, you will get no errors at all. The only reason that I'm getting error is because of my model right here. So you can just click on the slice plate option, and from there, you will be able to print by objects in the Anycubic slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.